Good morning, students. Nowadays, you all are being locked at home due to Corona, and your parents, your grandparents might be there at home. When you have good get together, your parents, your grandparents might be telling you their old stories about how they went to school, what they did, and where they played. Not only this, sometimes when they might be taking you to the village, they might be showing you that about the school, that where they studied, the trees under which they played. They carved their names on the trees. As such, the same we are going to do the poem named In My Old Town. It is about a girl and the boy. The poet is Erin Hansen. In this poem, tells the story about a little girl who dropped seeds everywhere she went. The boys her age were busy teasing her, saying she would never make a mark, as they went about leaving their mark, acting their names on patches of wet cement. Many years later, the poet wonders if the boys still roam around where markers to leave their marks. What would be their reaction if they returned to their town and found that the streets they had played on and the places where they had acted their names are now forest? Would they apologize to the girl they had teased? Would they realize that the kindest acts do not need to be announced and the least expected would have the most lasting effect on changing the world for the better? In My Old Town is a narrative poem that tells the story of a girl who dropped seeds everywhere she went. Just like that, your grandfather might be also telling the stories that when he used to eat the mangoes, he might have dropped the seeds of mangoes. Now those seeds, they turned into a big tree and which is giving a lot of mangoes, and when you go there, you enjoy the mangoes. So this is what about the story In My Old Town. Once I am reciting the poem, you just listen it very carefully and then you are also recite the poem exactly with the correct punctuation. So I am reciting the poem In My Old Town. In my old town there was a girl. She dropped seeds everywhere she went. While all the boys carved out their names in any patch of wet cement. They would laugh at her and tell her she would never make a mark if all she left behind her were some falling leaves and bark. So I wonder if they have been back since we grew and left that place, or if they still all carry markers in their pockets just in case, because I would love to see their faces if I told them what I have seen, that the streets where we once played, now drawn beneath a sea of green, and the names scratched on the sidewalk, weren't as eternal as they had planned. For in the place where they once wrote them, an endless forest proudly stands. Would they tell that girl they are sorry if they ever had the choice, for not knowing who's worth hearing, don't always have the loudest voice, that in future all the things we do will still have an effect, and sometimes those who change the world are those you least expect. Written by Erin Hansen. Children, you are going to recite the poem as I have recited. Learn the poem. subscribe the channel. It is the priority to subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and have a nice day.